nigga. Hood fame, everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water.
Guys, step one, let's just get right into it because you know y'all don't want to hear that talking. Okay, so step one is mascara. I look chunky today. The mascara you can use anywhere, y'all, okay? So the mascara, y'all, you can get from anywhere. This I got from Target for $1. So first you take mascara and you put it on. I put mine on, like, I don't put mine on like this. But, you know, I don't think, this is not a mascara tutorial. But if you want, you can put them on just like that. For me, I go like this. This is the way, guys, for y'all who got my lashes, like none. I usually just put it in there, get a lot of product, like, so it does this at the end. And then I use it this way. That's how I get my lashes. See, look how much better. It's like, now you could see them, right? And this was $1. So, yeah. Cool. You could do that. So y'all see the difference? I look awake now. Myself. You know how there's eyelash color? I need eyelash straightener, y'all. Most guys like them like this more. They always be like, Sydney, why do you have those on? They like this. I don't like this though. So that's how I put on my mascara. I just dip it and I use this edge. I only use the end. So for people like me who struggle because they don't have lashes at all, use the end. So if you have some decurl, natural decurl lashes, use the end. Don't use the... Look how cute that is. All right, bam. Step two. This is the glue I'll recommend. Duo. You can get it anywhere. Sorry, Jay, can't play that. And then crystal lashes. This is the case it comes in. This will be a little review for crystal lashes too. So this is the case it comes in. Ooh, now this is cute. There's two ways to put this on. You could be a savage like me and use your fingers, or you could use the tweezers. We don't do that over here. I never used them. Like, I just always found it easier to use my fingers. I'll try to see if I can find some tweezers, and if I could, I'll do the other eyelash with tweezers. Let me see which side is longer. So whatever side is longer is the outer corner, whatever side is shorter is the inner corner. So squeeze it lightly like this. You see that? This will come out fast. See how I covered it like that? Okay, guys, blow. You don't gotta blow. You could just wait. That's what I'm gonna do. Just wait a little bit. I'm gonna talk while we wait, so y'all know about how long to make it wait. Because you don't want to just put it on as soon as you put the glue on, because that way it is you want it to get tacky. So as it dries, it gets tacky. If you just put it on right there, you blink and it'll be right off. All right. And then you don't want to let it get so dry either, to the point where you stick it on and it's dry. Like, it's like the glue's not gonna, you want it to be like almost dry, so when you put it on, it kind of melts perfectly into your eyes. So yeah. So you take this like this, okay? You don't need a lot, y'all, at all. This product especially. This is a very good product. You could get it at, I would say CVS. I know you could definitely get it there. So, you know, guys, and what's good about that is that it's quarantine, okay? CVS is an essential. So you can still get your lash glue. Alright, so I'll see this, right? Me, for the simple fact that I don't have. Okay, you see? Go behind the eyelashes. Make sure it's leveled out to the middle. And just You see how I'm going as close. See, push the middle down first. Okay, then the beginning down next. Shit, gotta blink. And lastly, the edge. Ooh, these is long. My cousin told me that too. But guess what? I'm not cutting them because I feel like my eyes, I have like, guys, make sure they're at the root. Feeling myself out. Okay, these are a little long like my cousin said. But I don't want to cut them. I like them like this. But she told me. But I'm gonna leave them on. So that's that. So, yeah. And then you just, you know, if you need it closer, do this. If y'all want a tutorial with tweezers, comment down below and I'll do that too. That is the end of this video. That is. I hope that this was helpful. If it wasn't, comment that down below and I'll make another one. Ooh, guys, go get these lashes. These are crystal lashes and they are. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you. Please press the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with more tutorials. All right, love you guys.